Hello and welcome to your week ahead weather from the Met Office. Now, winds will be a big feature of the weather over the next few days. Throughout this week, showers never too far away, and it's never on the warm side either. Now, with a headline like that, you'd probably expect to see low pressure in charge, and that's definitely the case through this week. One area slowly pulling away on Monday, and then out in the Atlantic, well, we need to keep a close eye on this feature, intensifying. Look at the number of isobars coming out of it as it approaches the UK. That is a developing depression and could well bring some very strong winds on Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. After that, it scoots away, and then we're left with plenty of isobars still through Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And if you follow them, well, they point up to the Arctic. So some cooler air drifting southwards. High pressure, tantalizingly close, but it never really topples in, certainly not through this working week. Now, Tuesday, actually before that next area of low pressure arrives, should bring some sunshine, especially across the east and the south, but there will still be showers around. The breeze, not too strong at first, but it will be picking up through the day. Temperature-wise, 14 to 18 degrees, probably feeling a little cooler than that, certainly when the showers come along. And then look behind me, that intensifying area of low pressure I talked about really arrives on Tuesday evening and overnight. Let's look at the rain first of all, because heavy downpours extending across much of northern England, Wales and Northern Ireland through Tuesday evening's rush hour. But the main feature, I suspect, will be the winds really picking up through Tuesday evening across southern Scotland, northern England, North Wales and into the Midlands. Gusts of 60, 65, maybe 70 miles an hour or more from this intense area of low pressure. There are warnings in force. Now, through Wednesday morning, that starts to move away, that low pressure system. A couple of weather fronts will bring showers across much of the UK. So again, we're back to that bright and breezy 1 minute, and then you catch a downpour the next minute, and still staying on the cool side with temperatures struggling in most places in the mid-teens at best. By the time we get to Thursday, well, with that low pressure clearing further away and high pressure trying to build in, again, we've got the isobars coming down right from the northwest, and that's going to bring a cool feel, and it will continue through Friday too. There'll be some sunny spells on both days, but there will also be plenty of showers, just driving their way southwards on those brisk and rather chilly winds. When the sun pops out, well, temperatures again could climb into the mid, maybe even high teens, but it'll feel cooler when the showers come along. They'll be heavy, they'll be thundery as well. Friday's a pretty similar picture, just a chance that some southern and eastern areas may not see as many showers on Friday, may get away with a largely dry day, but it will be certainly chilly first thing in the morning, and with that wind coming in from the north or the northwest, it'll stay fresh throughout 14 to 17 degrees. Now, notice behind me another area of green. That's an approaching weather front, and that's trying to push in as we go into the weekend. But the area of high pressure is also just pushing in a little bit closer, and by the weekend the isobars are much more spaced out. Now, with weather fronts trying to topple in, there will be a bit of rain around, but certainly compared to most of this week at this stage, and there's always some uncertainty at this stage, the weekend does look at least a little calmer and a little bit drier, especially in the east. This is something obviously we'll be keeping a close eye on over the next few days. You could always keep up to date for yourself by staying tuned to the Met Office website, and there's always plenty more on our YouTube channel.